हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम क्लास 9 ज्योग्राफी सब्जेक्ट के चैप्टर 3 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखेंगे। तो चलिए बिना देरी किए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एक्सप्लेन इन ब्रीफ व्हाट इज मैकेनिकल वेदरिंग। आंसर है द डिसइंटीग्रेशन ऑफ रॉक्स विदाउट एनी चेंजेस इन इट्स केमिकल कंपोजिशन is called as mechanical weathering. The minerals in the rocks expand due to heat and contract when the temperature decreases. Due to such contracting and expanding tension develops in the rock, each mineral reacts differently to the heat. Some may expand more while some do not expand much. Consequently, the tension in the rock increases and decreases, which lead to the formation of cracks in the rock and they break. Next question, what are the main types of chemical weathering? Answer है the decomposition of rocks due to the changes in its chemical composition is called as chemical weathering. The main types of chemical composition are as follow. First है carbonation. When the rainwater mix with the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, it leads to the formation of carbonate acid. Many rocks like limestone gets easily dissolved in such a acid. Next is solution. Some minerals in the rocks get dissolved in the water. Because of this solution, alkalines dissolved in the water and make them brittle. Next is oxidation. This process occurs in the rock which have iron present in them. The iron comes in contact with the water and a chemical reaction takes place between the iron and oxygen. Hence a reddish layer develops on the surface of the rock. This is called as rust. Next question. How does biological weathering occur? Answer है it is a process in which the rocks are broken down into small fragments and fine particles due to the activities of plants, animals and human beings. Roots of trees enter the joint and cracks of the rocks in search of moisture. When the roots grow bigger, they create tension in the rocks and start breaking them. Some algae and other flora grow in the rocks. They also help in weathering. Animals like mice, rat and rabbits dig holes and thrills etc. which weakens the rocks and makes them loose and break them. Next question, distinguish between weathering and mass wasting. Weathering में first point है breaking of weakening of rocks is called as mass weathering. Mass wasting में first point है when the materials of weathered rocks come down because of gravity and accumulate near the foothills and gentle slope, it is called as mass wasting. Weathering में second point है weathering can either be natural or by living organism. Mass wasting में second point है mass wasting can be occur only naturally. Weathering में third point है weathering is of three types biological, chemical and mechanical weathering. Mass wasting में third point है mass wasting is of two types slow and fast. Second question, write whether the statement are true or false. Correct the incorrect one. First है climate affects earthquake. This is false statement. Right answer is internal movement affects earthquake. Next है mechanical weathering is less effective in humid climates. This is a true statement. Next, mechanical weathering happens on a large scale in dry climate. इसका आंसर true है. Next, the breaking down of rocks into smaller particles is called weathering. इसका भी आंसर true है. Next, lateritic rocks are formed through exfoliation. इसका आंसर false है. True statement is lateritic rocks are formed through oxidation. Third question, complete the flow chart. Weathering process is classified into three types. First है mechanical weathering, second है chemical weathering and third है biological weathering. Chemical weathering is divided into two types. First है block integrating exfoliation. Chemical weathering is classified into three types. First है solution, second है carbonation, third है oxidation. Biological weathering is classified into two types. First है burrowing by animals, second है roots of trees. Next question, आइडेंटिफाई द टाइप ऑफ वेदरिंग फ्रॉम द गिवन डिस्क्रिप्शन। फर्स्ट है सम एनिमल्स लिव इनसाइड द ग्राउंड्स बाय मेकिंग बोरोज, इसका आंसर है बायोलॉजिकल वेदरिंग। नेक्स्ट है द रॉक रस्ट, इसका आंसर है केमिकल वेदरिंग। नेक्स्ट, water which has accumulated in the crevices of the rocks freeze the rock breaks, इसका आंसर है मैकेनिकल वेदरिंग। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द पाइप सप्लाइंग वाटर इन कोल्डर रीजन ब्रेक्स, इसका आंसर है मैकेनिकल वेदरिंग। नेक्स्ट, सैंड फॉर्मेशन ओकर्स इन डेजर्ट, इसका आंसर है मैकेनिकल वेदरिंग। स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ हमारे चैप्टर 3 के क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट हो गए हैं। अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।